All right, guys. Today we have a Sunfire server. Okay, it's an older model, so we are gonna open up and see the inside. Let's see what we got. Some parts might be usable. We can sell it. So I'm not gonna do a full tear down on this one. So I'm planning to part it out, not a full tear down. Let me show the inside. These are the memory modules, okay? And there is a CPU underneath. This is a copper heatsink, basically. Let's take the memories out and check the size of it. It's 512 megabit. So we got 16 of 512 megabytes RAM modules, okay? Well, I have to break this, it's not coming out. I got the first part of the main board. Now we got the second part of the main board where we have the CPU underneath of this heatsink is copper, and on this we have the slots for the memory modules. Now I wanna show the CPU, so I'm gonna remove the heatsink on this. Let's see. This is pure copper. It basically cools the CPU, and this is the CPU. You see? Nice. Man, look at this. I love it. These are gold-plated pins. And this is basically the frame for the CPU. Okay. So now you are seeing the inside of a server where the CPU is placed on. I want to show the power supply. It's modular, so you can just pull it out or slide out. Pull it in or slide out. See, it's empty inside now. This kind of the control board for the power supplies. This is the cooling fan components. We got three kind of big fans. Oh, these are also, as you see, modular. Basically, pull out. These are empty caddies. So basically, we're done. We just now got an empty case, okay? All the parts, components now pulled out. So anyway, a server is basically has these main components, I would say. The main board, this CPU, and memory modules, right? This is part of the main board, okay, with other processors on it. Bunch of cables and some, other boards, modules, okay. Power supplies. Of course, this is the heatsink for the CPU and fans to cool down the entire system. And that's it. So I hope you enjoy the video and see you in the next video.